Hello! This is not just a normal video, because today I'm talking to you, same like you are my friend, and I'm your friend. And because we are friends... Have you ever had a giant list of things to do? Important things, like figuring out your future, or cleaning the fridge, or finally fixing that weird sound your car makes during left turns. And instead of doing those things, you wasted 4 hours looking up if a penguin could fly inside a wind tunnel.
Easy!
Yeah, me too. Welcome to my life. I am a grand master of putting things off. I don't just put things off. I'm always making up movie-like stories in my mind about why I can't do them right now. But I don't have the answer.
Ouch. Still working on the landing. Anyway, hey, Riven.
Oh, hey, Peter. Are you trying to save the city from a monster or something?
No, I'm here because you aren't getting anything done. Your productivity levels are so low, they're actually showing up on my spider sense as a natural disaster. Seriously, the pile of laundry in the corner of your room is starting to develop its own government.
It's a democracy, Peter. They just voted to stay on the floor for another week.
Oh, hey there. Are you still wasting 10 hours a day on video games and other things? Cool. Just a reminder, if you had spent just 1% of that time working on your goals back in 2024, right now, we'd be waking up whenever we want with zero stress about bills and finally driving that car you've been dreaming about for years. You still have time, Riven. You can start now.
Whoa, that got dark fast. Okay, listen, kid. Your brain isn't broken. It's just optimized for comfort. But comfort is where dreams go to stay unfinished. Let's use my spider methods to get you moving. Step 1. Make tasks small and easy.
How?
Here, I will explain. When you think, I need to write a 10-minute script, your brain sees a 50-page monster with teeth.
It is a monster. It wants to eat my soul and my free time.
So, don't write a script, just open the laptop. That's it. That's the whole task for now. Just lift the lid.
Okay, I opened it. Now what?
Now, write one sentence. It can be a bad sentence. It can be, the cat sat on the mat and did absolutely nothing.
Easy!
The goal isn't good, the goal is done. Once the pebble starts rolling, it becomes a giant ball of speed.
Ugh, what is that? A villain or something? Oh, right. If you like watching a guy and a superhero argue about why I haven't started my life yet, maybe hit the subscribe button. It's free, it makes me feel 4% more confident, and it keeps Spider-Man from flying into my window like a confused bird and breaking the glass again.
Hey, I paid for that window.
With what money, Peter? You're broke. Anyway, back to the tips.
Step 2. Create routines. I don't wait to be in the mood to save people. I just hear a siren and my legs start moving. It's a habit.
So I should look at my work like a siren.
Exactly. Set a specific time. At 10 a.m., I sit in this chair. Don't wait for the magic spark of creativity. Creativity is a shy cat. It only comes out if you sit still and wait for it every day at the same time.
Ouch, my creativity is kind of rude.
And finally, my favorite, step 3, the 2-minute rule. If you want to start something big, just try doing it for 2 minutes.
I've heard this before. Just 2 minutes of exercise. But I know what you're doing. You're trying to trick me into doing the whole workout.
Yes, and it works. The brain is scared of 1 hour of pain, but 2 minutes of pain? The brain says, fine, I can handle that. And usually, once the blood starts pumping, you don't want to stop.
It's like physics. If you're stuck on the couch, you stay on the couch. But if you just start moving, you actually finish your video. You know, I used to think I was just bad at being an adult. But maybe we're all just kids acting like we know what we're doing, while our brains try to find the nearest exit. I think about that cooler version of me sometimes. But maybe he's not cool because he's perfect. Maybe he's cool because he decided to open the laptop. And then he decided to just write one sentence. And then he decided to just show up.
Exactly. You don't need a supersuit to be productive. You just need to be 1% faster than your excuses.
I can do 1%. I'm going to write another sentence now.
And everyone can start now. Hear that? A siren. I'm coming.
2-minute rule starts now. Go do your thing, my friends. I'm doing mine. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like and whee!